Court is calling 2022 CR 7318, State of Texas versus Andrew Hutkins. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense? Are you Mr. Hutkins? Defense, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case? Did you review it with your client?
Yeah.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Hutkins, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of marijuana, 4 ounces to 5 pounds as a state jail felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand? Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, not grant you community supervision, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine.
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Hutkins, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea bargain agreement, there's to be $1,000 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication, restitution of $57, and to the Bear County Crime Lab. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
State,
Yes, Your Honor.
defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation and 160 hours community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charged in the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No confidence.
State any evidence.
Your Honor, state all proceeds as if it won in all attachments. No objection, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Court has reviewed states, it's been a long day. Court has reviewed states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court is finding there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We just have to report follow up.
All right, Mr. Hutkins, do you have any children?
No.
What do you do for a living?
Right now, me and my wife, we just moved down here about 4 months ago, 5 months. We work at the wash tub.
Okay.
So it's just something for right now.
Where did you move from?
Nevada.
What brings you to San Antonio?
Her family stays out here. She wanted to be with her side of the family. So I was decided to come out here and give some attention, right?
What's her name?
April Voorhees.
Who is Leanne Palacios?
I'm sorry.
Who is Leanne Palacios?
Oh, that's gonna be my brother's wife. Or girlfriend.
So what family do you have here?
Oh, just my brother, but her family's down here.
Okay. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
No, I don't have it.
All right, anything else from either side?
No, Judge.
All right, court will sentence you to $1,000 fine. That'll be probated. 4 years deferred adjudication. 160 hours community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. Court is not requiring you to get the COVID vaccination, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. $57 restitution to the Bear County Crime Lab for drug testing. Regular UAs. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Proof of employment. Within 30 days. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Does, did you say your girlfriend? Or, I'm like your girlfriend, who you're here with.
Yeah,
All right. Does your girlfriend have any children?
no,
Are there any minors that live in the home?
no.
All right. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
Your Honor, did you say regular virtual or in-person recording?
Yes.
That's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful, Miss Probation?
No, ma'am, I'm just trying to do the right thing.
Sean, it's not a mistake, it's a choice. All right, I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes,
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
yes.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
James Seeloff with the defense.
All right, the court is calling 2022 CR 7318, State of Texas versus Andrew Edward Hudkins. Can I have parties approach and announce for the record for the state
Officers.
Hank Wilkins for the state.
defense? For the defense,
James Seeloff for the defense.
and are you Andrew Edward Hudkins?
Yes, sir.
Showing you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Andrew Edward Hudkins who was placed on deferred adjudication for the offense of possession of marijuana, 4 ounces to 5 pounds on November 1st, 2022, for a period of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 1, on or about the 18th day of June 2023 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Andrew Edward Hudkins, committed the offense of driving while intoxicated in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. And Your Honor, we waive and abandon the other violations.
Any,
No objection.
all right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there an agreement?
There is, Your Honor. Oh, sorry.
Yes.
We'd like to, we've agreed to revoke the defendant 20-month state jail. That's concurrent with the DWI. And we're going, the state will take into consideration the retaliation, which is Night Mag 717291. And also take into consideration the evading with the vehicle, which is Night Mag 717292.
That's correct, Your Honor. That's our understanding.
All right, why should the court give you 20 months
Thank you.
Yeah. in the state jail facility? What have you done other than pick up new offenses, allegedly?
That was it, Your Honor. I made a wrong choice. I shouldn't have been drinking and driving. I made a very wrong choice, and if I could take it back, I would. If I could, be given another chance, I would like to, but if punishment is, if I need punishment, then I need punishment. I'd like to be reinstated, but I see that that's not the case, so I see that I am getting punishment.
All right, so you have done nothing on probation other than allegedly have new offenses?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, probation, I'm assuming then that he did not pay the $57 to the laboratory for testing? All right, the court is going to grant the motion, find you guilty, revoke you, sentence you to $1,000 fine, time and money to run concurrent, restitution of $45 to the Bear County Crime Lab for testing, taking consideration, Night Mag number 717291. 717292. And I'm going to sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. Going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal.
Your Honor, did you sentence him to 20 months in state jail? That was our plea bargain.
No, 2 years. All right, because this is not a plea bargain agreement, you do have a right to appeal, and that's a limited right to appeal as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Do you understand?
I do not understand. Could you say that again, Your Honor?
You have a right to appeal.
Yes.
That's as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. You understand? So you can't file an appeal and say, I'm appealing the fact that I was on deferred adjudication. But you can have an appeal based on the fact that you were revoked based upon the fact of the allegations in the motion.
Yes, I do understand.
All right. All right, good luck to you. You're gonna have to make better choices. You understand?
Yes,
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right,
We're gonna
thank you.
go to County Court 12 now and take care of the DWI.
All right, thank you.